Hello everyone, how are you? So we are going to continue our discussion now. We are on the chapter 13 for the introduction to computing. Our topic for this one is all about unveiling the opportunities and challenges in the digital age. So what are our objectives? We are going to define social computing and explore its fundamental concepts. And I think it's just kind of like a review because we have discussed this from the previous chapters. And also, we're going to analyze the positive and negative impacts of social computing, identify and discuss current trends, and investigate employment opportunities and career paths in the dynamic computing industry. So, what is a social computing? Again, it is the study of how people use the technology and to interact with each other. It is a broad field that encompasses a wide range. So again, as what I have told you na murag nabalik na siya na topic. No? So what are the positive impacts? Of course, increased communication and collaboration with technology. It will help us to easily communicate. And also it um, access to information and resources. So with technology right now, we can access information and resources through the internet. So that is what social computing is a positive impact, sorry. And new forms of business and commerce. So social computing has created new forms of business. So right now you can buy things through online, e-commerce, Lazada, Shopee, mayon ana. And then empowerment of individuals. So social computing has empowered individuals to connect with each other. Okay. And of course, it helps build great new opportunities. So social computing also created new opportunities. Individual can use social medias to find jobs, promote their work, etc., connect with other people. And I think we know some of the negative impacts, no? We have first privacy concerns. So your privacy social computing has raised concerns about privacy. This is because social media platforms collect a lot of data from their users, okay? And social computing also can, spread misinformation. So social computing has made it easier for misinformation to spread, mga fake news, no? Because this is because social media platforms allow users to share information quickly and easily. Cyberbullying and online harassment, no? So possible na siya. And I think if you are using social medias, naka-experience na mo og someone, no, nakita mo og someone got bullied. I hope na dili ka mo to na bullied in social media, cyberbullied. Okay? Addiction, no? Social computing can be addictive. This is because social media platforms are designed to be engaging and keep users coming back from more. So possible nga ma-addict ka. So you just really need to manage, no? And kamo sa inyo kaugalingon, wala ang nakabalo how to manage that. And what are the different current trends when it comes to computing technology? Mga current trends. We have artificial intelligence and machine learning. So right now sa inyo ang generation, mas grabe na kayo ni siya, no? Ang improvement sa AI technologies and then machine learning. So AI and ML are two of the most rapidly developing and impactful technologies in the world today. They are being used in wide range of applications from self-driving cars and facial recognitions to medical diagnosis and fraud detection. So that's why very nice kayo nga na amo ani nga field because possible na one of you later on can develop something that will help our not just our city but our world, no? We can na may mahatag na impact to our world. And another trend also is edge computing. No, this is a practice of processing data closer to where it is collected rather than sending it to the cloud for processing. This can improve performance and reduce latency, especially for applications that require real-time data processing. So right now, maupod ni siya ang isa sa mga on research, no, on how to make the applications more paspas ang performance like that. We also have cybersecurity. So since our data are very important, it's important na ma-secure po siya. So cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important as our world becomes more interconnected. Business, governments, and individuals are all at risk of cyber attacks, and the cost of these attacks is rising. So possible na kung makawat ang imong information, gamiton siya sa maayo or gamiton po siya sa dili maayo. So that's why it's very important to really secure our information, and then dili magpataka og tuplok-tuplok di og mga bisan unsa no na mga links kay para dili ka ma-hack. So when it comes to cybersecurity, sa pagtrabaho po niyo po na apoy mga inline ani with about all about security. So I hope na tun-an po ninyo. Okay? And then IoT, Internet of Things. So you have actually a different subject for this one, like sagid ka semester, Internet of Things. This is the network of physical devices. You have the physical devices either in a vehicle, home appliance, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, actuators, and connectivity, which enables these objects to connect and exchange data. So naana siya hardware devices. Ano. Okay, so matun-an na po na inyo, but it's one of the trend. No, right now, I think kung some of you might have experience, no, Google Home or like that na, or Alexa, no, Alexa, turn on the lights, may na ba, tapos turn on the lights or turn off the lights. So mga smart na mga devices, home devices, or pwede po sa cars. We also have virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality. So VR and AR are creating new and immersive ways to experience the world. VR headsets can transport users to other worlds, while AR overlays digital information onto the real world. So if you haven't experienced yet this one, I think sa Ketkay, more second floor sa Ketkay, yung mga AR dira sa second floor man ata kana i-explore na po ninyo, no? Para maano ninyo kung ma-experience ninyo. We also have this one, 5G. So 5G is the next generation of wireless technology. And right now, our phones, diba, are using 5G from 4G, 5G, and we don't know yet what will gonna happen in the future. So 5G is a next generation of wireless technology, and it promises to provide faster speed, lower latency, and greater capacity than previous generations. So this will enable new applications such as self-driving cars and virtual reality. We also have this one, no, current trend Japanese, generative AI. Generative AI is type of AI that can create new content such as image, text, and music. So this technology is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize many industries. And this one also, the datafication. So datafication is the process of converting data into a format that can analyze and use to make decisions. So this is becoming increasingly important as the amount of data in the world grows exponentially. So data mining, nisulod na po ng data mining da. We also have smart devices. So devices are becoming increasingly intelligent with the ability to learn and adapt to user behavior. So this is leading to new and innovative applications such as smart homes and smart cars. So those are just a few of many trends that are shaping the future of computing technology. It is an exciting time to be involved in this field, and there's no telling what the future holds. So for all of these things, kana sila, naapod na sila mga certain rules nga pwede nimo ma-apply, no? And then kung ganahan ka nga imong field, imong trabaho po is under ani nila, then that's really good. You just really need to study. What are the different employments? Noon sa man ang mga possible employments later on when you graduate and as an IT? You could become a business analyst, no? The business analyst examine an organization or to determine how to be better achieve goals. So, kamo na magpili pohon pag mo graduate na mo. Very important lagi. One piece of advice, just keep learning, okay? Kailangan hindi ka magtuon. So you can be a business analyst, job titles, business analyst, business and technology analyst, etc. So you can just review that one. You could also become a computer service technician. No, these are who repairs computer hardware and software. That's just the hardware or software. You can become a CSA technician, ICT service technician, etc. Blah blah blah. Pwede po ka ma cybersecurity specialist, cybersecurity analyst, no? Kung when you, if you want nga naa ka sa field sa cybersecurity, ICT security analyst, security specialist, information security manager, etc. And data analyst, pwede po, no? Academic data analyst, associate data analyst digital, data classification, if you wanted on collection, analysis, and interpretation of data. Data center technician, no? Data center technician, lead, facility management, IT support, etc. As an IT also, pwede po ka ma-data scientist, no? Data scientist is in the same broad career stream as a data analyst. So, pwede ka ma-data engineer, data science consultant, data scientist, daghan kayo. Database administrator when it comes to database. Pag wala pa may idea ka rin sa database, you have a different topic for different subject for this one for the whole semester all about database management. So you can become a database administrator, database analyst, to design a database. Pwede po ka ma-hardware engineer. No? So kamo na nabasa sa ilang mga rules na guys. We will not go deeper on that, okay? Pwede po na may mukhang IT consultant. These are professionals with significant IT experience and confidence to find work. And you can also become an IT manager, no? If ganahan ka mag-manage yung isa ka team. Pwede ka ma-project manager, program director, procurement officer. So daghan kayo gid pwede nimo matrabaho as an IT. So just choose na lang, select na lang ka kung unsay mas prefer sa imo o niya mas ganahan nimo niya murag happy ka nga buhaton nimo. You just really need to develop your skills while you're learning in school. Tan-aw na nimo daan kung asa possible nga field ang imong ganahan. Okay? You could also become a multimedia developer. Though not all of this guys kanita na akong gipang discuss sa inyo is itudlo sa inyo ano magdepende na giday na sa inyong asa mo feel ninyong ganahan mo. You can become a multimedia developer. Multimedia developers are skilled in computer programming and visual artistry. Pwede po network administrator. Later on, pag mag-networking na mo, pwede ka man-network administrator, network and system administrator, network infrastructure administrator, network engineer, programmer, kung ganahan ka mag-program, back-end developer, front-end developer, SAS programmer, senior analyst programmer, SQL programmer, test engineer, no? You can become a test engineer, senior test engineer, software test engineer, quality assurance test engineer. And I'm telling you, kani akong gipang discuss at first year siguro, first, second year, medyo gamay pang sweldo. But I'm telling you, sa next nga mga year, sana dagko na ang mga sweldo. Okay? Software developer, you just really need to enhance the mo skills. You could also become a software developer if ganahan ka mag-create og mga web applications, desktop applications, Android applications, iOS applications, na. Programmer. You could also become a systems administrator. So daghan kaayo gyud na pwedeng matrabaho nimo once mo graduate na ka. You just really need, again, you just really need to study and then find your anong ganahan nimo, no? So, kato lang for this topic, ato lang gi-discuss gamay ang mga all about social, what are the current trends, unsa possible nga mabutngan sa inyong field later on, no? And then, unsa mga possible nga mga jobs ninyo makuha sa pag-graduate ninyo. So, that's all for the chapter 13, and I hope that you learned something. So, please review this PDF, no? Para makita ninyo unsa inyong mga possible nga trabaho once you graduate as an IT. Okay? So, that's all for this video. Thank you, guys.